Cracks in brick, cracks in block, sticking windows or doors. Settling or sinking foundation, it's a fact. Foundation problems don't get better with time, but they do get better when you call APS.
It's the Weather Xtreme video. This is the morning edition. This is for Wednesday, the 15th of June. I'm James Spann. Another sizzling day today, but strong storms will form later today and tonight. Not raining everywhere, but where the storms do pop up, they could pack quite a punch. Let's talk about it. Very familiar look on the upper air chart. A strong upper high pretty much on top of us, the center a little northeast of here. Also, we note a deep upper low over parts of the northwest United States, where they've had snow falling for the past few days. Very high amplitude pattern. We are in the 70s to start the day. We're expecting highs back in the 90s today, mostly mid-90s. And again, all 67 Alabama counties under a heat advisory today because of the combination of heat and humidity. And that heat extends northward to the Great Lakes. Also, some wind issues up north. Here's the severe weather outlook for the rest of today and tonight. There's an enhanced risk over parts of Wisconsin and some of the adjacent states. And down here, a chance of severe storms. We have a level 2 out of 5 slight risk for areas south of Interstate 59. And again, where the storms do form, they could produce strong straight-line winds this afternoon and tonight. Be aware of that, much like the ones down in South Alabama yesterday. This is tomorrow, marginal risks to the north. And day 3, Friday. Again, a marginal risk just north and northeast of here. Rain for the next 7 days. Again, we'll see these spotty storms around today, tomorrow, Friday, but widespread rain, no. Rain amounts generally under 1/2 inch for any one given location between now and Wednesday morning of next week. In the tropics, I think things are pretty quiet. The one exception is that little disturbance on the coast of Central America in the far southwest Caribbean. If anything forms, that's a big if because this will be over land a good bit of the time. It will wind up most likely in Mexico, well south of Brownsville, Texas. Nothing threatening the Gulf Coast around here anytime soon. So model fans, here we go, the GFS. This is the 06C run, valid today at 594 upper high. Again, the center a little northeast of here. You don't see anything here on the synoptic map, but storms will likely form like yesterday under the core of the upper high. And they will be moving to the west, which is fairly common for this time of the year, just based on the circulation pattern. This is the high-res NAM tonight at 11, suggesting the better chance of storms south of US 80. But we think there could be a few up to Interstate 20, maybe Interstate 59 later today and tonight. And again, just keep an eye on those. They could easily produce some pretty strong winds as they move to the west-southwest. This is tomorrow, and again, we could see a few isolated storms, probably not many, will be in the 90s. And then Friday, a surface front will be north of the state, and that might trigger a few isolated storms, but again, nothing widespread. And we'll stay in the mid-90s on Friday as well. Now, Saturday, the dew points come down. That means the humidity values will be lower, so a bit more comfortable. Low 90s are likely. The sky will be sunny, no chance of rain. Sunday, we could see some 50s to start the day. How about that? High Sunday will be in the low 90s. The sky will be sunny, and again, dry air mass, no rain. This is next week on Monday. The heights begin to come back up, low to mid-90s. This is Tuesday, looks quiet. And a week from today, Wednesday, June 22nd, 594. Upper high core a little to the west of here, but the ridge obviously covers us. And again, that looks hot and mostly dry. We'll go out 10 days. This is Friday, June the 24th. Again, evidence the heights are coming down a little bit, maybe an increase in the number of scattered storms out there toward the end of next week. Rain for Birmingham off the European ensemble. Not much for the rest of the month of June. The mean is under 1 inch. And look at the highs coming from the NBM, the National Blend of Models. Highs hold in the 90s, lows mostly in the 70s. Although Sunday, it's got 60s there because of the drier air that gets in here temporarily. Latest 8 to 14 day guidance. This is for June 22nd through June 28th. Temperatures above average, rain below average as the old upper high persists across the region. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this morning. We'll have notes on the blog. The next video here by 3 o'clock this afternoon. You can catch us this evening on ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and God bless.
Sinking driveway? Call Alabama Professional Services. Settling patio? Call APS. Uneven pool deck? Call APS. Collapsing stoop? Call APS. Cracking sidewalk? That's right, call APS. It's a fact. Concrete problems don't get better with time, but they do get better when you call APS. Call Alabama Professional Services today.